With Kraz Construction, you get a company that's been in business for over 94 years in Northwest Indiana and Chicago suburbs. We do windows, siding, soffit fascia gutters, doors, roofs, fences, practically all of your home needs. On your initial visit with Kraz, you'll get your hassle-free estimate, and all of our work is backed with our limited lifetime warranty.
We've been looking at getting new windows for a long time now, and we weighed out a lot of different options. This is something we've been researching, we've been looking online for, and it's hard. It's hard right now to find somebody that we can invite into our home and that we trust, that we can come in to give us an accurate number and come quickly. We wanted to get this done and over with relatively soon. We're new movers into our home. We wanted to get the job done quickly and be able to enjoy our new home that we just bought. The best part of it is they're a local company. They've been in our communities and helping serve our communities for over 90 years. And that's another big deal for us. They were on time, they were professional, and they delivered on what they promised. We didn't feel pressure along the entire process. As a matter of fact, by the time he had finished educating us on all the things that we were able to do and opportunities and options for us, we felt like we were ready to go. The price was right, the timing was great, and we recommend Kraz Construction to all of our friends and family.
With Kraz, you'll get an on-the-spot free estimate, and you can always visit our website at krazman.com, and it could answer any questions you may have.